baby
Shark,
shark,
do-do-do-do-do.
baby shark,
Do-do-do-do-do.
baby shark,
Do-do-do-do-do.
baby shark.
Balloon, balloon English. Wow!
Hello, I'm Elaimo. Guess what I found at the store? Aqua Magic. Whoa, it was really fun. There's little sea creatures on it. A turtle and a whale and crab. Where's the crab? Here. And some shrimp and starfish. I wonder how I make it. Do you want to make this today? Let's do it! Yum! Oh, what do I have? Some colorful gel. There's 12 colors. Wow. Oh, there's green, like grass. And some light blue, like the sky. It's so pretty. And some white, like milk. And oh, there's a bowl for the fish. And oh, what's this? 이게 뭐야? What's this? Oh, salt! Magic salt! And the animals! Here we have an octopus, a crab, a starfish, a fish with a star, a whale with a heart, another fish, a turtle, a shrimp, another whale. Ooh. Is that you, Private? It's a penguin. Frog, ribbit, ribbit. Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark. There's 3 sharks. 1, 2, 3. Let's make some fish. But there's so many. There's 12. How can I make it all alone? Let me call my friend Uncle Jay. He's my neighbor. Maybe if I yell really loud, he'll hear me. Uncle Jay!
Hey, be quiet.
Uncle Jay, come play with me!
I'm sleeping, Ella.
Wake up!
Oh, come on. Okay, I'm going up.
Woo!
Ta-da!
Uncle Jay's here!
Guess who's here? Uncle Jay! And obviously, I was in sleep and Elaimo woke me up, so I'm very upset. And my friend Private is upset as well.
But we're gonna have fun! So it's okay.
Whatever.
It's okay. Look at this.
So what are we doing today?
We're going to make fish. And
Fish.
yeah, fish. And there's penguins. That's not a fish. And a frog. And a crab.
But this is all plastic.
Yeah, we put the gel, the colored gel in. And then you put it in the water. And it comes out. And it's squishy. Squish, 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 squish.
So this is a penguin. So I put it here. And what?
Not like that. You need the colors.
Oh, okay. Let me try. I'm gonna try blue.
Oh!
My favorite color, sky blue.
Blue,
and
blue,
a pink. And an orange.
I want to do the shark. But I want blue. Can I have one blue, please?
Which blue? There's a bright blue and sky blue.
Dark blue.
There you go. Sky blue.
Sky blue.
Okay,
You're
so
kind.
what do we do now?
I'm going to choose white and black. Now, you take the lid.
And let's make it.
Let's make it.
Color them.
Let's color. What did you pick?
I picked penguin.
I picked the shark, baby
Shark,
shark,
do-do-do-do-do.
baby shark,
Do-do-do-do-do.
baby shark,
Do-do-do-do-do.
baby shark.
One,
Let's do it.
2, 3, go. baby
Wait a second.
Shark, doo-doo-doo-doo, baby shark, doo-doo-doo-doo, mommy shark, doo-doo-doo-doo, making nose. Baby shark, doo-doo-doo-doo, baby shark, doo-doo-doo-doo, making mouse, doo-doo-doo-doo, baby shark. I'm making a penguin, doo-doo-doo-doo, penguin power put, doo-doo-doo-doo, penguin, penguin, doo-doo-doo-doo, green penguin. I'm putting colors. Red, red, red.
Ooh, I'm done already, Ela.
Well, then put it in the water.
Put it in the water?
Yeah, put it in the salt water.
Oh, you put salt in this water?
It's salty water.
What do I do? Just put it in?
Yeah, just put it in. And put it under the water.
Under the water?
Under the water.
What do I do now?
And shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it.
Shake it, shake
Shake
it,
it, shake 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 it.
Oh, it's shrinking.
Shake it, shake
Oh,
it.
look at that. It is actually coming out.
It's coming out?
I just made a
Blue, blue,
green
blue, blue.
penguin and it's coming out. It came out.
Oh, it came out! Oh!
Look at the green
Oh,
penguin! Private, this is your friend. Go play.
Oh, it's cute!
So put it in.
My turn. Shake, shake, shake. Shake.
Wow, you have two small shark as well. Baby shark.
Scary.
Ew, it's like
Ew! Oh, it's so scary.
ew, it's like a York. Ela, now let's go for fishing. Do you have a fishing rod?
Do you have a fishing rod?
Ela, I have a question for you.
What?
May I eat this?
No!
May I eat this frog?
No! No!
Why not?
No eating! You can't eat it! It's not food! No!
Okay.
Don't eat it! No.
Okay, then let's
No.
fish.
Let's fish!
But we take a turn. So rock, paper, scissors.
Alright.
Rock, paper, scissors.
I won.
Okay,
I won.
you go first.
You first.
Okay, 30 seconds.
30 seconds?
Ready,
Are you kidding?
set, go.
I got two!
Two at a time.
Yay!
Time is ticking. Baby
Oh,
shark. Mommy shark. Mommy shark. Mommy shark. Mommy shark. Baby shark.
yeah.
Hey, you're catching everything.
What else can I get? What else can I get?
Grandma shark. Grandma shark.
Oh, it's shrimp!
Done.
Oh.
So how many do you have?
Your turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Wow. Ready? Okay, Ela, I'm doing
Are
it.
you ready? Jack, start.
1,
Baby shark, do 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 do
Two.
baby shark, do 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 baby shark, do do do
Whoa.
baby shark. Mommy
Three.
shark, do do do. Ooh, mommy shark, do 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 mommy shark.
So is this it? This is it for fishing.
This is it. I won.
Uncle Jay lost. Ta-da!
Ta-da!
Today we made so many fishes.
Ooh, that was really fun. Was it fun?
It was excellent.
Excellent.
What do you guys want to do? Fishing?
Fishing? Baking?
Cooking?
Playing?
Soccer? Anyway, subscribe.
And like.
Balloon Balloon English.
Balloon, balloon, English.
Baby shark. Do 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 baby